everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can supercharge your Trello boards using 5 fantastic free power-ups. So these tools will help you stay organized, streamline your workflow, and boost your productivity. So let's jump right in. So first up that we have here is the card repeater power-up. This tool is perfect for tasks that needs to be repeated regularly, like weekly reports or monthly reminders. So you'll just need to log in first onto your Trello account, choosing the workspace that you want to use and also the board. So I'm currently onto my Trello workspace and I'm on my test board. On my test board, I have different lists like to do, in progress, and done, and it has different cards for the different tasks in here. Now, we're going to click on the Show Menu button on the right side of the screen in here, which is these 3 dots. Click onto that and there should be an option for you to select the power-ups from the menu. So click on power-ups, and in the power-ups directory, you'll just need to go ahead and head onto its search bar. So this is the search bar for that, and we're going to type in card repeater. So as you can see, we could click onto that and this will help you put regular tasks on repeat. So we need to add this one, and just a quick overview. The card repeater power up for Trello automates the creation of Trello cards for repeated tasks, giving you one less thing to have to think about. Simply set the schedule on a card and Trello will automatically make an exact copy of that card at the given date and time. So this will make you easy to establish a process for weekly to-dos, retrospectives, end of the month closing out of the books, or a reminder to get your mom a birthday present. So we'll just need to go ahead and simply click onto add in here. And to set up this one, we'll just need to go ahead and open the card that you want to repeat. So you will now see a repeat button on the cards menu for that. So click onto a card in here and you should be able to see this one, repeat. So you'll just need to click onto repeat here and you'll just need to choose a frequency of repetition, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So we have that one here and you could choose onto the first and the specific time for that, every month, and what list is this, and the position for that. So you will see this card repeat on August 31, 2024 at this time, 6:46 p.m. If this card is deleted or moved to another board, it will stop repeating the card. So you'll just need to go ahead and save that one right after you specify the date of the week and the time you want the card to reappear. So decide whether you want it to repeat every week, every 2 weeks, or set a monthly recurrence for this. So you could also, like earlier, customize the card's placement and just click on the save to apply your settings. So back on your board, you'll see that the card will now reappear according to the schedule that you set. So you should be able to see that one here. Next, repeat. Now, the next segment that we have in here is custom field. So let's explore that one. This power up lets you add additional information to your cards, making them more detailed and functional. To activate a custom field, go to the Power Ups menu on your board, the same thing that we did earlier, which is this one. Then we're going to go ahead and search for custom fields here. So we have the one here, custom fields. So we could click onto this and add the specific one. So once you've added that one already, you'll just need to go ahead and open a card. So you can choose to go ahead and add a field to start creating new fields. So we have custom field here, which is this one. Click onto custom field. To add a power up in here first, let's click or add custom field again. Click on add and click add here. Okay, so since we've added that, let's head back here onto a specific card, and right after, we should have that power up here. So let's click to authorize this one first. And you'll just need to go ahead and allow some things. So since we've used the power up style for custom field, you'll just go ahead to start a trial in here. Let's edit the power up settings. But if you're currently using the Trello Pro or the one that you have subscribed with, there should be a custom field option already in here. So this will help you add drop downs, text fields, dates, and more to your cards. So if you upgrade your Trello account, this would be an easier step for you. So this one, you need to be onto premium, and these are the access that you will have once you have updated or upgraded your account to premium. But since you've used that specific power up in here, you'll just need to edit the power up settings and integrate this. You'll just need to add in some custom fields in here, such as this one. Type in the name for that, select the field type, data source, row source value, and field values, and click on to save. So that is a much harder way But if you just need to upgrade your account, then it would be easier for you. Go ahead and do that. Into customizing the field in here, you could go ahead and name your fields and set any default values or options for this. For an instance, you could go ahead and for application status, you could set up like interviewed, accepted, or rejected for that one if you add some fields. So you'll just need to fill out these fields with the relevant data for each card, and this will help you and your team track specific information easily without cluttering the card's description. Since we're just using the trial for this, you should be able to click on to start trial in here to start using this specific power up. Now going on to our third power up in here, which is the calendar view power up. This view will help you see all your deadlines and scheduled tasks in a calendar format. To activate this, just head onto the power ups menu with these three dots, click onto that, click on power ups, and then we're gonna search calendar in here. So type in calendar into the search bar, and you should be able to see the calendar power up. So this will bring perspective to due dates with the calendar power up. Whether you're planning a conference, managing an editorial calendar, or organizing a family vacation, the calendar power up will let you display cards with due dates in a weekly or monthly calendar view. So these will easily prioritize cards by dragging and dropping them on the calendar to automatically update their due dates and export your Trello calendar to third-party apps. So just click on to add in here. And once that one is activated already, you should be able to see a calendar button onto the top of your board. So let's try to see that one over here. So just click onto power ups and let's try to see if the calendar power up is turned on already. Click on the settings first and view the power up. Now I just did a quick refresh onto my Trello in here, and as you can see, the calendar power up is showing up already here onto the upper part. So you'll just need to click this to switch to the calendar view, and you should be able to see the different cards with due dates plotted on a calendar. So you could switch between a monthly and weekly view for visibility for this. So we have week, month in here, and you can also scroll here onto the different dates onto the calendar. To add a new card from this calendar, just click onto the desired date. For example, this one, January 6, 2025. If you click onto this, there's an option for you to add in a card or to plot a card in here. So you could also drag and drop cards to adjust their due dates or click on existing cards to edit them. So as you complete tasks, you'll see them crossed out in the calendar, providing a visual representation of your progress. So just click onto the X button to head back again here onto your board. Now going on to our next power up in here is the card snooze power up. This feature is great for temporarily hiding cards and bringing them back at a later date. So the same process earlier, we need to head onto the power ups menu here. So just click onto the three dots and click on power ups. So right after this, onto the search bar, we'll try to search for card snooze. So you'll need to type in card snooze for that and just click onto this one. So if you snooze, you won't lose. Now you can clean up the clutter of cards you're not going to get to until another day. So the card snooze power up will let you snooze a card until a later date and time. When it magically reappears on the board, need it sooner, you'll just need to find them onto your archive cards. So this is just like an easy process for you to automatically archive your card and have this magically reappear again once you have set that date. So we're just going to click onto add in here to activate the specific card and to get started. Then we're just gonna need to refresh our Trello board in here to begin. Now, since we've added that, we'll just need to open the card that you want to snooze and select the snooze from the card menu. Let's choose in this one, this in progress. Click onto that, and right after, under power ups, you should be able to find it already, the snooze. Simply click onto that, and you'll just need to go ahead and choose how long you want to snooze a card, a few hours, days, or even months. So I have in 1 week in here. And for example, if you have a task that doesn't need attention until next month, you can set it to snooze for a month or for a week, just like what we did onto this one. So there should be an option, or there should be a visibility to you that says in here that it is snooze until September 2 and this specific time. So as you can see as well, this is already archived. And if you just want to retrieve them, just check the archive items or you could use the search feature option in here to find them. So to view the archive items, click onto the three dots and just go ahead and click onto archive items. Should be able to see the one in here, and you could send this back again to board if you want to. So the same thing, you could still search archive items here onto the search bar. Now going on to our final and fifth power up. Let's explore the card aging power up. This tool will help you identify cards that haven't been updated for a while. So to go to this one, just do the same thing. Click onto the three dots, power ups, and onto the search bar, search for card aging. So we're just going to add the same card in here, which is this one. So these will easily spot which cards on your board have not been activated lately with the card aging power up for Trello. So as cards fade regular mode or yellow into your pirate mode, you can see which tasks and projects may have fallen by the wayside and should be archived or need a status report, making sure your board stays relevant and up to date. So you'll just need to go ahead and click on to add in here. And once activated, cards that haven't had any activities for a set period of time will start to visually fade, just like this one. As you can see, we haven't touched any of this card earlier, so as you can see, it has faded. So this visual cue will help you quickly spot cards that may need attention or review. So regularly check your faded cards to see if they need updating or if they should be archived. So this is especially useful for long-term projects where tasks might get overlooked. And that's a wrap. You now know how to use 5 amazing free Trello power-ups to get your boards organized and boost your productivity. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.